feel good. I feel great. I feel good. Yeah, I feel great. I miss the time, so I replay them. I hate goodbyes, I never say them. I live my life, no delaying. I love my life, I'm just saying. I stopped trying to make sense of life, I live in the moment. Just need my peace of mind, my kid and my woman, with no postponement. And we have fun in public, they could stare at us. The news will try to put you down with scare tactics. I got my pride and my soul, those are rare factors. Time is priceless and I have no spare chapters. And it ain't about the money, I was happy on an air mattress. I'm in control of my life and I own my masters. The sun is shining stunningly. Plot quietly and humbly, manifest fruitfully and abundantly. And this music is what feelings sound like. Making art ever since I truly found life. And I'm a sturdy soul, Jersey bowl. Thank my folks for not using birth control. And first of all, thank the universe. Thank you. Damn, this earth is so cancerous. Aliens are much more advanced than us, cause they move peacefully. My vibe frequently has been high frequency. With the time sequencing, stars in the sky speak to me. So I won't move sheepishly and I'll treat humans equally. I'm celebrating my acceleration, levitating on my elevation. My dedication is the preservation, and I've been working on my meditation with no hesitation. And I gotta say, it feels amazing. I feel good. I feel great. I feel good. Yeah, I feel great. I feel good. I feel great. I feel good. Yeah, I feel great.